Good morning, dear students. This is Shafi from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. Welcome back to the maths class. In our previous class, we solved two questions, right? In this class also, we are continuing with the same type of problems. Here we have the fourth question, 2 by x minus x by 2 whole power 5 equals to. We have to expand by using the binomial theorem that 2 by x minus x by 2 whole power 5. In our previous class itself, I already told you that the expansion of x minus y whole power n. What is the expansion of x minus y whole power n? First one is plus, second then minus. First plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. Here we have the sign minus. Here we have the sign minus. So that we have to use the expansion that x minus y whole power n. Before that, we know that the quantity of the first term is decreases. The quantity of the second term is increases, isn't it? 2 by x whole power 5 1 plus then minus next 2 by x whole power 4 5 4 3 2 1 next minus after plus next 2 by x whole cube, right, plus then minus 2 by x whole square minus then plus 2 by x whole power 1 plus then minus 2 by x whole power 0, right? Here we have the expansion x minus y whole power n, so that I'm changing the signs. First plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. Okay, kindly do not confuse. Yes, it is the first term of the expansion. Next, the quantity of the second one, the quantity of the second term will be increases. X by 2 whole power 0. Next, x by 2 whole power 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. X by 2 whole square. Next, x by 2 whole cube. Next, x by 2 whole power 4. Next, x by 2 whole power 5, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5. The quantity of the first term is decreases, the quantity of the second term is increases, isn't it? So it is the expansion. Then what about the coefficients? What about the coefficients? NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4 and so on like that. So coefficients will be, in place of n we have 5. In place of n we have 5. So 5 C0, 5 C1, 5 C2, 5 C3, 5 C4, 5 C5. That's it. It is the expansion of 2 by x minus x by 2 whole power 5. Now simplify it, which is equals to, that is equals to 5c0. That value is what? 5c0 value is what? 1 only. 5c0 value is 1. So 1 into 5c0 value is 1 into 2 by x whole power 5. That is what? 2 power 5 divided by x power 5 into x by 2 whole power 0 is 1 only, into 1. 5c0 is 1. 2 power 5 divided by x power 5 into x by 2 whole power 0 is 1 by using the laws of exponents. Next, minus 5c1, that value is what? 5c1 is 5 into 2 power 4 by x power 4, 2 power 4 divided by x power 4 into x by 2 whole power 1, that is what? X by 2 only, x by 2 only. Next plus 5c2, 5c2. How to simplify this 5c2? 5 into 4, 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1, 2 into 1. We have to reduce 5 till 2 times. In the denominator we have to reduce 2 till 1 comes. 2 into 1, 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. So these things, I mean 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5, 7c2. So those things already you have learned in your combinations. I mean the previous chapter already you have learned. The chapter is done by Harish sir, isn't it? So 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 into next 2 cube divided by x cube, 2 cube divided by x cube into x square by 2 square, x square divided by 2 square, right? Next minus of 5c3. 5c3 is what? 5c3 is also can be written as 5c2. 5c3 is also can be written as 5c2. So 5 into 4 divided by, okay, if you get confused then you can write 5 into 5c3 is also can be written as 5c2, or else you can write 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1 into next 2 square by x square, 2 square divided by x square into x cube by 2 cube into x cube divided by 2 cube plus 5c4 value is what? 5c4. 5c4 value is 5 into 2 by x whole power 1, that is what? 2 by x into x power 4 by 2 power 4, x power 4 divided by 2 power 4 minus of 5c1 is what? 1. 5c 5 is 1, 2 by x whole power 0 is 1, x power 5 by 2 power 5, x power 5 divided by 2 power 5, right? See the things which numbers or which variables will get cancelled. So 2 power 5, okay, so 2 and 2 power 4 will get cancelled, 2 square will be there. Next x power 4 will cancel, x square will be there, x cube 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 square, and in 2 cube 2 square will be cancelled, 1 2 will be there, x square and x cube will get cancelled, 1 x will be there. Next 3 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 square will get cancelled, in 2 cube 1 2 will be there, x square and x cube will get cancelled, 1 x will be there. Next 2 and 2 power 4 will get cancelled, 2 cube will be there, x power 4 will get cancelled, x cube will be there. That's it. So these are the things will get cancelled. Now write down the remaining things, that is equals to 2 power 5 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 32 divided by x power 5. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus next 5. Next 5 into 2 square will be there. If you get cancelled you can write one more step 5. If you get to confuse you can write one more step 5 into 2 square, 5 into 2 square divided by, in the denominator x square will be there, x square plus next 5 into 2 is 10 into 1 2 will be there, 2 divided by 1 x will be there in the denominator, x in the denominator x will be there, minus okay, here I am going to write minus 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10 into one x will be there, x by 2, x divided by 2. Okay, 2 power 1 x divided by 2 plus we have the next question, fifth question. 2x minus 3 whole power 6. 2x minus 3 whole power 6. Okay. Expand this by using the binomial theorem. We know that the quantity of the first term is decreases, the quantity of the second term is increases. Before that, you just observe the sign what we have. Here we have the sign minus. Here we have the sign minus. Then we have to use the expansion x minus 5 whole power n, isn't it? So if there is a minus, kindly be careful that if there is a minus, kindly be careful in the simplification part. If you make any kind of mistakes while writing the minus, in place of minus if you write plus, the entire problem will go wrong. So that make sure if there is a minus, be careful while writing the signs. If there is a plus, nothing will be happen, but if there is a minus, you have to be careful with the sign minus, right? We know that the quantity of the first term is decreases, so 2x whole power 6 plus then minus 2x whole power 5 minus then plus 2x whole power 4, right, plus then minus. I don't have the space, so that I am writing in the next line minus 2x whole cube. Kindly keep the brackets, okay? If you not written the brackets, then that shows the other meaning. Kindly keep the brackets properly. Minus next plus 2x whole square plus then minus 2x whole power 1 minus then plus 2x whole power 0. 2x whole power 0. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is the first term. What about the second one? The quantity of the second term is decreases. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4, 3 power 5, 3 power 6. 3 power 6. Okay. Now what about the coefficients, binomial coefficients? In place of n we have 6, so that the coefficients will be 6 C0, 6 C1, 6 C2, 6 C3, 6 C4, 6 C5, 6 C6. So it is the expansion, right? Let us simplify this. Let us simplify this one. That is equals to, which is equals to, the value of 6C0 is what? The value of 6C0 is 1 into 2x whole power 6, 2 power 6, x power 6. 2 power 6, x power 6 into 3 power 0, that value is 1. It is not 1.2 power 6 point x power 6.1. It is a multiplication. Kindly do not confuse. It is not the decimal. It is a multiplication. Minus 6c1 is what? 6c1 is what? 6 only. 6 into 2 power 5 x power 5, 2 power 5 into x power 5 into 3 power 1 is 3 plus next 6c2. How to simplify this 6c2? 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1 into 2 power 4 x power 4, 2 power 4 into x power 4 into 3 square, into 3 square. Okay, next minus 6c3. 6c3. How to simplify 6c3? 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 cube x cube into 2 cube x cube into 3 cube into 3 cube plus 6c4. 6c4 is also can be written as, see in the combinations, I think you already know this, 6c4 is also can be written as 6c2. 6c4 is also can be written as 6c2. Okay, we have the formula that NCR equals to NCn minus R. NCR equals to NCn minus R. We have the formula in the combinations that NCR equals to NCn minus R. So this formula already you have learned. I think I already told you that it is the binomial theorem purely depends upon the previous chapter called permutations and combinations. If you know the simplification, if you know the permutations and combinations simplification part, you find very easy to solve the problems related to binomial theorem. If you don't know the permutations and combinations, you find very difficult to understand the problems and as well as simplification part. So that kindly learn properly. 6c4 is also can be written as 6c2 by using the formula, right? 6c4 is also can be written as 6c2, so that I am just reducing these steps. 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. If you are getting confused, you can simplify like 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. I'm just reducing the steps. 2 power 2, that is 2 square, into x square into x square into 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 minus next 6c5 6 into 2 power 1 x power 1, that is 2x into 3 power 5 into 3 power 5 plus 6c6, that value is 1 into 2x whole power 0, that value is 1 into 3 power 6 into 3 power 6. Now you just see which terms will get cancelled. Here 2 ones are 2 threes are, here 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 twos are, 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now you just simplify it by using normal calci. Scientific calcis are not allowed. You can use normal calci in the annual examinations. 2 power 6 is what? 2 power 6 2 power 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 64 x power 6 minus 6 into 3 is 18, 18 into 2 power 5 is what? 576 x power 5 plus 3 into 5 is 15, 15 into 3 square is 9, 9 into 2 power 4, 2160 x power 4. Next minus, here itself I am going to write 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 2 cube into 3 cube is how much? 4320, 4320 x cube, 4320 x cube. Okay, next plus 3 into 5 is 15, 15 into 2 square into 3 power 4 is how much? 4860 x square. Next we have the two terms remaining, minus 6 into 2 is 12, 12 into 3 power 5 is how much? 2916, 2916 into x plus 3 power 6 is how much? 729, 729. So it is the expansion of 2x minus 3 whole power 6 by using the binomial theorem. Understand? Kindly take a screenshot, or you can pause the video. You just note down in your notebook. Once again I am repeating you, it is the simplification part belongs to the previous concept, permutations and combinations. Kindly learn permutations and combinations, then you find very easy to solve these kinds of problems. Whatever the problems we have in this binomial theorem, that purely depends upon the previous concept called permutations and combinations. Okay, so next we will move on to the next question. That's the sixth question. That question is homework for you. Sixth question, it is the question homework for you. 1 minus 2x whole power 5, 1 minus 2x whole power 5, it is the question homework for you. Okay dear students, it is the class for today. In the next class we will continue with the other type of problems. Kindly practice these kinds of problems at your home. Whatever the homework I just given to you, kindly solve that homework questions at your home. Kindly maintain a proper notebook. If you are having any kind of doubts, you can come to the college. Here itself I will clarify. In the next class we will continue. Thank you.